let's learn how to add passkeys to your Binance account. I will show you this tutorial on phone because it's fastest and most easy to do, but you can follow up with any other device if you want. But phone has most options, so without any delay, let us start by opening our Binance application. From starting page, you will have to go to your profile settings. You will have to click on profile avatar, and it will open account info page. Now from here you will have to go to security tab, the second in a row here, and it will load a new page. Now click on this Passkeys biometrics, that's first in a row. Here it will show you passkeys you already added, or you will have options to add new one. Do it by tapping this yellow button. Now you will have to verify this passkey and then click other options. If you don't have any, it will show you these three things. Now you can get a security key, iPhone, iPad or Android device, or iCloud keychain. So my passkey is Face ID. You can also add the same thing. You will have to select one of these, click on continue and verify, and you are done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next